Welcome to the Chef Lily Show. Today we're making pasta.
All right, Lily, what are we going to do first? I'm going to put some oil in the pan.
I put oil on the pan.
All right. Let's open it up. Okay. Now pour a little bit in.
Just a little.
Just a little.
Like, tell me when to stop.
Keep going where it's hanging. Keep going. Oh, that's it. Okay. Now, here are our ingredients for today.
Do we rub it?
Let's walk over here. Come on, take a walk. Let's tell everyone what we have.
We have, what is it?
Garlic.
We have garlic, we have onion, we have Italian peas, and we have tomatoes.
All right, what are we going to put in first?
What we did. Onions.
All right, so why don't you grab the thing of onions? Bring it on over. The pan's on, so we're not going to touch the pan anymore because it's hot.
And wait, what is it around?
Yep.
What do we put the oil around with?
Well, we're just going to put the onions in it now. And now we want to make those onions sweat. So take this and stir it all around. How does it smell, Lily?
Good.
Smells good. Keep stirring it. Sometimes when we cut onions, it makes us cry a little bit, right? Well, it's all of us that happens when we make onions. When we cook with onions, it makes us cry a little bit. You know, as you stir it, you have a pot here that's about to boil that we're going to put the pasta in. So we want that to, I'm going to lower it a little bit because we're not ready for it yet. Let's look at those onions. How do they look?
Good.
Can I borrow this for a second?
Yeah. Do I put it all in the middle?
No, we have to use our ears. You know why? We have to listen for the sizzle. Remember, this is going to get hot, so we don't want to touch that.
No, I'm only making it all in the middle like you taught me.
We'll spread it around.
I like you taught me that. Mix it all in the middle.
It's smelling good, Lil.
I got the bubbles out.
Keep stirring it. I wish everyone could smell how good it smells in here. You hear that sizzle? Want to do the sizzle dance? Shake your body to the sizzle. No? You don't feel like dancing? Ooh, it smells good in here. All right, Lil, go get the garlic, please. Ooh, that's a lot of garlic. Now it's going to smell really good once you throw that in. You just want to use your hand? You want to just pour it in?
How about you use the spoon?
Stir it up. All right, now I'm going to give you a little salt. You have to throw some salt in there. All right, that's good. I'm going to give you a little pepper. A little more. Okay, good. I'll give it a little stir. How good does it smell in here?
Eating the love.
Eating the love? Yeah, we do cook with our hearts.
In here.
Okay, so it's time now, Lil. What are we going to do?
Dump the pasta in.
Yeah, cook that pasta. But be careful, it's hot. You don't want to touch the pan. You're just going to grab some pasta.
All of it?
All of it. So we're going to cook in the hot water. There you go. Just throw it in. Let go. Don't get your hands. Just give it a little stir. Now this is fresh pasta with flour from Italy. So it doesn't need that long to cook. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, that's good. Now let's go get those tomatoes, Lil.
I'll put that up there.
Go first.
What die?
Now when you put the tomatoes in, it's going to have a little sizzle.
Don't I do it like that?
Just dump it all in. You could just pick up the whole. Be careful not to drop the pan. Just dump it on in. Ooh, hear that sizzle?
What do I do? Mix that?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I wish everyone could smell in here. What's your favorite food to eat, Julie?
Tomato.
Tomatoes. This meal is right up your alley.
Strawberry.
Strawberries, well, that's good too. What food do you dislike the most?
Quinoa.
Quinoa. You dislike quinoa?
I don't like it.
Anything else you dislike?
Oil when it's not cooked.
Oil?
And also vanilla when it's not cooked.
Oh, vanilla is not. Okay.
I don't like it. I tried that banana.
So we're gonna let that. Just let it stir for a minute.
I want to get the drizzling over that.
Nothing you need to do. Just leave it alone. And now we want those tomatoes to just cook a little bit, okay? How's it smelling here?
Tell me when to start.
All right, Lo, what is the time for now? What is it time for?
England cheese.
What type of cheese?
England.
England. Italian.
Italian.
All right, throw it on in. Don't touch the pan, it's hot. And just spread it all around. Ah, that looks delicious.
Having this for dinner.
Mm-hmm. And now let's put some parsley. So put your hand out. And just spread it all around. And that's it. That's how a homemade pasta with tomato, garlic, and onions dish.
We mix it.
Nope, leave it just like that. What do you want to say to everyone?
Have a happy day.
Thanksgiving!
They have just said bye.
Say bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It's bon. No. Can you take a picture of my table?
That looks good, ladies. Time to taste it. It's very hot.
I don't think I should taste it. And this is why you should have rolled on it first. We should do like one. Yes, sir.
How is it, Shay?
Good. I got a mouthful just for one.
How is Lily?